In this lab, you will learn how to use a strain gauge to run a stress strain test. Start by collecting required materials from the front desk. Make sure to grab one strain gauge beam, one amplifier, and 3 resistors. Install the strain gauge by sliding the beam into the slot on the T-channel clamp and tightening the screws. Next, you will wire the Wheatstone bridge. See Figure 3 in your lab instructions for the wiring diagram. Keep in mind to use supplied 120 ohm resistors for R1, R2, and R3, and use the strain gauge for RU. Be sure to check your wiring with the student lab tech before continuing. Open the basic voltage capture application found on the desktop. Run the test continuously with the channel A10 voltage range at plus or minus 2 volts to make sure the gauge and Wheatstone bridge are properly functioning. Now, under the High-Speed Data Acquisition Time Options tab, set acquisition time to 5 seconds and the sampling rate to 20 Hz. Under the Setup tab, turn on input channel A10. Set the voltage range for A10 to plus or minus 2 volts and select high speed for the data acquisition type. Use the brass weights located on top of the desk for calibration. After you have tested the Wheatstone bridge, clear the MAE breadboard and follow the instructions to wire your amplifier. Calibrate the amplifier the same way you did the Wheatstone bridge. Finally, you are ready to test the size of your gulp. Choose whether to use the Wheatstone bridge or the amplifier for best accuracy while testing your gulp. Locate the mini fridge in the back of the room and grab a cold bottle of water. Make sure to weigh your bottle, test it on the strain gauge, and record your results before taking another sip.